Hey guys, E.G. Scary here, unbagging crappy masks I found on Amazon. Alright, so this one says Demi Sharky, her Carnival, new. Made in China. This mask is a thinner latex, and it actually looks pretty cool. So kind of has a big slit, and this one has a stamp in it, made in China, and it's really hard to read the stamp, in my opinion. So, it has a lot of detail as far as the slits and the cuts and the artwork in the head. So let's get this sucker on. Alright, so here it is. It took a little bit of work, but you can see the eyes. I'm having difficulty. Well, that's interesting. I don't know why I have such a bad headache. Ha 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 ha. So this mask was on sale for $12.99 US currency. With the Prime membership, it was free shipping. You get what you pay for. It really does not look bad. I had to really work it in here to get to fit my eyes well, and it's still it hurts. It hurts to blink. It has an extended neck. It comes down to about here, so if you want to, you can look what they did to me. Look, don't look away, don't look away. Well guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Like and subscribe. E.G. Scary out.